Ever wonder if that allergy pill you take is doing more than just stopping your sniffles? Millions reach for Zyrtec for allergy relief, but truly understanding what it's doing inside your body and those surprising side effects is crucial. Today, we're diving deep into how Zyrtec combats your allergies and revealing three key facts about its side effects that might make you think twice. Zyrtec, whose active ingredient is cetirizine, belongs to a class of medications called antihistamines. When you have an allergic reaction, your body releases a chemical called histamine, which is the troublemaker behind your itchy eyes, runny nose, and sneezing. Zyrtec steps in like a superhero, blocking histamine from attaching to its specific receptors, specifically H1 receptors, which stops those annoying allergy symptoms right in their tracks. It's a second-generation antihistamine, meaning it's designed to be less sedating than older versions. However, even though it's often marketed as non-drowsy, that's not always the full story for everyone. Here are three key facts you need to know. First, while it selectively blocks those H1 receptors, some people still experience noticeable drowsiness. Your unique body chemistry can mean it crosses the blood-brain barrier more readily for you, making you feel sleepy. Second, dryness, particularly dry mouth, is another common, though often overlooked, side effect. And finally, the most surprising fact. Some users report an intense, widespread itch when they suddenly stop taking Zyrtec after prolonged use. This Zyrtec withdrawal itch can be incredibly uncomfortable, suggesting a rebound effect as your body adjusts without the medication. Always consult your doctor before stopping any medication. For more essential health insights, check out our next video on seasonal allergy remedies.